everyone, welcome back to industrialguideasia.com. My name is Orson. I'm yet again at another booth, which is AZO. I have a representative. She's going to share with us about the company, the knowledge. You know how we do it. So can you go on and introduce yourself and tell us about AZO?
Hello, my name is Yovista. I'm a tender manager for Southeast Asia. So we are AZO. We are a German company. Actually, the headquarters is in Germany, and we have our office based in Thailand, Bangkok, and we respond for Southeast Asia. So what is AZO doing is we are doing the raw material handling system. Like if you have the powder or liquid, and you want to handle it to your process. For example, if you produce some mixing of the product, and you want to handle this kind of ingredient carefully, because the powder, as you know, is very dusty, and some is not good for your health.
Yes.
Then our potential system is the pneumatic conveying system. There is like conveying by using air via the pipe. As you can see in the back, we have the simulation showing how to convey the product. And also not only the conveying system, we have the mixer. You can see here there is also the powder mixer, a liquid mixer, and some powder you have a different size of the particle size. So we want to use the screener to screen it.
So you mentioned that AZO is a German company. So how old is AZO? Like when did it start in Germany? When did it come to Thailand? Yeah.
We are starting in 1949. So now it's about 68 years. And in Thailand, we built up our company in 2005. But in the beginning, we came already in the past, but using another engineering company.
So like you said, AZO is a German company. We know Germany is amongst the leading countries in the 4.0 industry.
Yeah.
So your your products, what kind of technology is it using?
Okay. So for this year, actually in Germany, we already start Industry 4.0, and we are started also by using this. I can show you that we use the QR code, and if you have like a application or tablet, and you scan the QR code, they will show the detail of the equipment, including the spare part and including the price, and then you just select it. So it's easier for the operator to use the machine and to maintenance the machine. And even in Germany, we have the RFID technology. And we think or we hope that we can do it in Thailand also in the future.
So as a German company, how do you think you are positioned in the market in ASEAN? Because some companies are like locally based, so you are coming in as a German company. How do you think you are in the market? As in like in ASEAN market?
Yeah, I understand, because if you think about German company, there is not like a high standard.
Yes.
But in ASEAN, many people or many companies already consider that they want to use the high standard system, because they can prove to their customer that their customer trust our system. So our market is not only for the high or the big company, because we like do the designs or make the system according to the customer want, so it can be optimized. So I think we are in good in Asian right now.
Oh, okay. All right. So, do you mind taking us through just a brief of one of your products that you can share with the people and tell them the benefits of having that product?
Yeah. So we should walk around or just?
It's fine. You can just mention if it's there. You can point it.
Okay. For example, in the back of us, it's easier also.
Yeah,
this is
one.
the liquid mixer with homogenizer. So normally when you have like oily together with the powder, you want to mix it with the water. It's difficult because it's kind of colloid.
Sometimes that doesn't mix.
Doesn't mix together. Yes. And we have the homogenizer, and this is vacuum mixer. Some product like toothpaste you don't want a bubble in your product.
Yeah, you just want it to be smooth.
Yeah, and for the customer, if you have this kind of system, they will get a benefit that their product will be the high quality. The mix is very good, and if you mix it very good, the lifetime of the product is longer. Yeah.
All right. So, what are the challenges that you face in like the ASEAN market as a AZO? Because I've heard and I've read like a few companies are having challenges introducing their new machines with the new technology. So, what are the challenges that you face?
Yeah, there is some challenge. Like you said, we are from German company and we are going to expand in the Asian market. There are some old technology that the people stick with that and they don't want to change it. So for us, we have to explain the benefit a lot to them. Like if they change the technology to the new technology, they will get something more, and it's good for their production line.
So, like you mentioned, what are the benefits of having the new technology?
Yeah, the new technology is developed to have the people to work with that, like easily to operate it and easily to maintenance, and also is develop the kind of new technology. Sorry.
It's okay. All right. So, can you tell us the trend? How is the future of the 4.0 industry? What do you think the next 5-10 years would be?
Yeah, it's the vision of our government also. We just announced that Thailand should go together with Industry 4.0. I think people is, how I can say, they changed a lot to cover this requirement from the government, and I think we are getting better, and we want to have the high standard, like international standard, so it would be developed more.
Okay, thank you so much for the time. Thank you everyone for tuning in. This is industrialguideasia.com. Go on and check out our website on the description below. Subscribe and follow us. Read about the latest technology. AZO is here to educate you and we are here to educate you. See you and catch you next time. Goodbye.